Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve our second part, that would be basics of Revit 2018. So let's start with our session. We are going to start with a new file. Again, construction template is fine. Project, click on OK. If you have any suggestions, any doubts, please ask in comment section so that we can work on that in our upcoming videos. We have seen modified command in our previous video. We have seen all the commands which comes under modify command, how to create a floor plan, how to create walls. So today we are going to do a floor plan for architectural design. So let's start. So before starting, I will tell you the basics. Always consider your units. So you can use command UN. Just type UN and you will get units. I'm going to keep it in centimeter. It's up to you. As per the plan given, you can keep it in millimeters or centimeters or in meters. So for units, command is UN. Let's start. We'll use architectural wall. We're going to create a simple floor plan today. I clicked on wall architectural. As soon as you click on wall architectural, you will see these properties. I will choose generic 300. As you all know, those who are civil engineers, they will be knowing that width or that length of that wall, width of that wall will be 300 mm. So we are going to create 300 mm wall for the outer walls of the floor. So let's start. That's the length of my structure. So let's keep it simple. Let's start. So I need to draw an entrance, so I will keep entrance over here. So I'm gonna draw walls. I'm just going to use trim command, just delete these two walls. just have to click on these two. I'm using trim extend so that I can delete those walls which are not required. This trim extend multiple elements. Just click on those objects which you want. This part is trimmed. Let's go to, this is my entrance, so let's go to the other part quickly. Again choosing a wall, but this time I will choose the inner wall, that would be 100 mm generic. So we don't have 100 mm generic, so I will convert this wall. I have choose generic 200 mm, so I will go to edit type. I will go to this edit. I will click over here and I'm gonna click here 100 by using duplicate command. Click on OK. Just click on OK so that this command will be there. So let's start. So this is that would be clicking on the same wall. You can directly move a wall over here. You can see when you connect a wall, directly get joined. Any wall which cross each other, it's get joined. Just want this part to be aligned. Again choosing a wall 300 mm. is my plan. I'm just going to add 100 wall again. This point to this point. This is going to be my bedroom. This will be my WC. This is my entrance. Can just keep my entrance little bit outside by just moving it. Let's go to our kitchen. Let 500 to 10. So it will be 5 into 4. This will be my office room. The same way. From here to this 390 plus this half will be 5, will be 400. Just keeping it to 400 again. This. So this will be my kitchen, this will be my office. This would be my floor plan. Again, this is my WC, this is my bedroom, this is my kitchen, this is my office. So as you can see, this part is not aligned. So you can use AL command. Just align the wall. This is your align command. Just choosing it. Before doing that, I will just use this blue dot to detach this part. Now I will use AL command, that is align command, just to align these two. can just specifically move the command with AL align. Again, I will extend this point towards here so that this will be aligned. You can see it. So now